This is ninth ICSE. So let's find out the exercise 1A. So what are these answers, and so how these answers we have to find out. So, okay, for exercise 1A for measurements and experimentation. Now the very first one is, what is meant by measurements? What is meant by measurement? So the solution is, it is the comparison. It is the comparison of the specified physical quantity of the specified physical quantity with the known standard quantity. With the known standard quantity of the equivalent nature. Of the equivalent nature. Next, question number 2. Remember, so the comparison of specified physical quantity with the known standard quantity of equivalent nature, which we call it as measurement. Second one, what do you understand by the term unit? What do you understand by the term unit? So unit is the quantity of a constant magnitude. Unit is the quantity of a constant magnitude which is used to measure magnitude of other quantities. Next, the third question. What are the 3 requirements for selecting unit of a physical quantity? So the 3 requirements are, for selecting unit of a physical quantity are, it should be reproducible. You can able to reproduce the same magnitude with the other physical quantities also. It is required to be convenient in size. Is required to be convenient in size. No ambiguity. It's no alternatives. While defining the unit. No ambiguity while defining the unit. The value of unit should not change with space and time. Next question, fourth question. Name the three fundamental quantities. Name the three fundamental quantities. The three fundamental quantities are length, mass, time. Length, mass and time. So coming to the next thing. Next, fifth question. Name the three systems of units and state the various fundamental units of them. The various fundamental units in them. So let's put a box. System of unit. Fundamental units. CGS system. FPS system. CGS system is otherwise called as French system. FPS system is otherwise called as British system. MKS system is otherwise called metric system. Here it is centimeter, gram, second. Foot, pound, second. Next it is meter, kilogram, second. So let's write the symbols. cm, gram, second. ft, lb, second. Meter, kilogram, second. So this is the answer for this three systems of units and the various fundamental units as well. Next question. Question number 6. Define a fundamental unit. Define a fundamental unit. Next answer. It is that unit which is independent of another unit. Independent of any other unit, or which can neither be changed nor can be related to any other basic unit. Example, unit of mass, length, and time. Next, so let's see the fundamental units of SI unit along with their symbols. So the next question is question number 7. What are the fundamental units of SI system? Name them along with their symbols. So coming to the answer, the fundamental units of SI system along with their symbols. So let's draw a box. Here it is quantity. Here it is symbol. Length, mass, time, temperature, luminous intensity, electric current, amount of substance, next it is complementary are angle, solid angle, so length it is meter, mass it is kg, time it is second, temperature it is Kelvin. Because it is a scientist name, you have to write with a capital letter. Candela CD, electric current ampere A is written as capital letter because it is a scientist name. Amount of substance is mole, angle radian, solid angle steradian. Next, explain the meaning of derived unit. Explain the meaning of derived unit with the help of one example. With the help of one example. Derived units are those which depend on fundamental units. Which depend on fundamental units or which can be expressed in relation with the fundamental units. Example, area. Area is nothing but length into breadth. So we express in case of length into length. So that is equal to length square. This is derived unit. Next, coming to the next question, define standard meter. Define standard meter. So the standard meter is the length of the path, traveled by light, is the length of the path traveled by light in vacuum during a time interval of 1 by 299,792,458 of a second. So this is what the standard meter, the time interval that is taken for a light to travel. So the path of light traveled in a time interval of this much, we call it as a meter. Next question. Name 2 units of length. Name 2 units of length which is bigger than a meter. And how are they related to the meter? So let's see the 2 answer. 2 units of length bigger than a meter. Are, the very first one is AU, astronomical unit. A.U, astronomical unit. Astronomical unit is the distance between sun and the earth. We call it as astronomical unit. So 1 AU is equal to 1.496 into 10 to the power of 11 meters. The relationship between meter and kilometer is 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters, right? So this is what the bigger than meter, and they are related. 1 AU is equal to 1.496 into 10 to the power of 11 meters. These are the first 10 questions of class 9 physics icse. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more physics related videos. Thank you.